Give an honest answer to a genuine question. When you see a guy or a man, what do you notice first? His looks or his personality? I can confidently say that most people notice looks first. Yes, personality matters too, but that doesn't mean you should completely ignore your appearance. We understand this from the fact that if a guy doesn't have a great personality but looks really good, he still gets a lot of attention. On the other hand, if a guy's personality is amazing, but his looks are neglected, he won't get the same attention that the first guy does. I think by now you've understood that looks matter. So the real question is, can you improve your looks? The answer is, yes, you can. Maybe not entirely, but definitely to a large extent. This is where the concept of looksmaxxing comes in. Before starting looksmaxxing, one thing should be clear. What exactly is it? In simple words, looksmaxxing means taking your appearance to the next level naturally, without relying on plastic surgery or fake hacks. It's a journey that involves the perfect combination of grooming, fitness, styling, and confidence. You want to present the best version of yourself because, in reality, people judge based on what they see. Improving your looks boosts how you are perceived in relationships, your career, and even by random people. To understand this better, let's do a quick test. Imagine a guy with messy hair and worn-out shoes, and another guy with a sharp haircut and a clean, well-fitted outfit. Now tell me, who looks more attractive? The answer is obviously the second guy. So, now you get why looksmaxxing is important. Looksmaxxing is about making yourself a better version in every way, whether it's grooming, skincare, posture, fitness, or fashion. If you want to become the best version of yourself, you need to take these things seriously. Just imagine the impact of a well-groomed appearance, clear skin, confident posture, fit body, and stylish dressing. It can take your personality to the next level. Grooming plays a huge role in this. Get a fresh haircut every 2 weeks that suits your face shape, maintain your beard weekly, or go for a clean shave if you prefer. And don't forget to keep your nails clean and trimmed. These small things give your overall appearance a classy touch. Skincare: start a simple skincare routine with just 3 steps: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Following this routine is not only great for your skin, but also the best way to keep it healthy and glowing. And don't think that skincare is just for women. Healthy skin is important for everyone, whether you're a man or a woman. From today, make your skin health a priority. Posture: stand straight, walk confidently, and keep your shoulders relaxed. This boosts your confidence and makes you look more powerful. Your body language reflects your energy, so carry yourself like a king. Fitness: without fitness, looksmaxxing is incomplete. If you want to become the best version of yourself, you need to focus on your fitness. Working out is not just for health, but also shapes your body and boosts your confidence. A V-shaped body naturally looks attractive, and you don't need a gym to achieve that. You can improve your appearance by doing basic workouts at home. Push-ups train your upper body, making your chest and shoulders look broad and defined. Squats strengthen your lower body and boost testosterone, which enhances your overall masculinity. Stay consistent and gradually take your fitness to the next level. Fashion is not just about wearing clothes, but about carrying the right clothes in the right way. Clothes shouldn't be so loose that you look lazy, or so tight that they give off a cheap vibe. If you want to achieve a classy look, follow these tips. Tip 1. Always buy clothes in neutral colors because they look simple and stylish and pair perfectly with straight fit outfits. Tip 2. Keep your shoes clean because they create the first impression of your look, and dirty shoes can ruin your overall styling. Tip 3. Add a basic accessory like a classy watch. Small details like this highlight your personality and give a sophisticated touch. Style yourself properly and start looking classy. So friends, that's it for today's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions or want me to cover a specific topic, don't forget to comment. I'll be waiting for your comments. See you soon with another exciting video. Till then, bye-bye.